Hey everyone, in this quick video I will show you how to build meeting follow-up system in Notion using templates in 2025. Start by grabbing a meeting note or follow-up template from Notion Gallery. This usually includes sections or agendas, attendance, action item, and decision made. After a meeting ends, you can instantly turn off notes into structure follow-up tabs. Customize the template to automatically capture action items with owners and deadlines. Assign tasks directly to team members so everyone knows their responsibility. You can also add statue tags like pending, in progress, or done to make tracking effortless. For recurring meetings, link the follow-up system to task database or project dashboard. This way, follow-ups items don't get lost and they stay connected. You can also create calendar views so upcoming deadlines are always visible. If you want to go further, embed reminders, attach related documents, or even integrate with tools like Slack or email for automated notification. That way, nothing slips through the cracks. And that's it. How you can streamline meeting follow-ups and keep accountability crystal clear with Notion templates in 2025. Thanks everyone for watching.